out of human shit, am I right? They're not in this box. They're in the fridge, am I right? I don't know, are you?
You look like me.
Got it. I got it. Took it off. I did the same thing, am I right?
Is that like different?
Why the hell do they have handles on both sides of the fridge? I don't fucking get it.
Yeah.
I had another beer in there, am I right?
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Am I right?
Look, brothers, sisters, comrades.
Time for us to go home? Kicking this up?
No, he's
Is that
just
video?
explaining why his fridge is stupid. Graham? Explain yourself.
These are actually the worst lyrics.
What's wrong with your fridge?
There's nothing wrong with my fridge. It's everybody else that's the problem.
No, it has handles on both.
You should. Well, let's go get tattoos tomorrow, and you pay for them.
What are we getting?
Street Bohemian.
No, it has to say, I love Sarah.
That could be the last ingredient. I want to get a picture of a cup, and it just says
One out of
Street
three,
Bohemian,
yeah.
and then a recipe.
That
ingredient
is
could be
so
I